From the moment we first gazed upon the cosmos, humans have been captivated by the celestial tapestry above. Today, that fascination fuels a new kind of exploration, astro-tourism. Imagine standing beneath a sky teeming with more stars than you ever thought possible. So clear you feel you could almost reach out and touch them. In these remote corners of our planet, far from the intrusive glow of city lights, the universe beckons with an irresistible invitation to reconnect with its ancient wonders. Join us now as we journey to some of the most awe-inspiring astro-tourism destinations on Earth, places where the celestial dome becomes a planetarium beyond compare. Our first stop takes us to the heart of the American West, Sun Valley, Idaho. Here, nestled amidst the soaring peaks of the Sawtooth Mountains, lies one of North America's designated dark sky reserves. As twilight descends and the mountain ridges silhouette against the fading light, a transformation begins overhead. The sky deepens to an inky black, a canvas upon which the celestial artistry of the Milky Way is painted in breathtaking detail. On a clear summer night, the Milky Way stretches across the sky like a shimmering river of light, its countless stars twinkling like celestial fireflies. Whether you choose to camp under the stars or relax in a cozy mountain lodge, this Idaho gem offers an unforgettable astro-tourism experience. So, pack your bags, grab your telescope, and get ready to be amazed by the celestial wonders that await in Sun Valley, Idaho. Our celestial journey now takes us across the Atlantic to the enchanting Canary Islands, where we find La Palma, an island often referred to as the Star Island. Perched atop the volcanic peak of Roque de los Muchachos lies a celestial observatory of immense renown. The Roque de los Muchachos Observatory is home to some of the world's most powerful telescopes, instruments that peer deep into the cosmos, unraveling the mysteries of distant galaxies. La Palma's location in the northern hemisphere, coupled with its exceptionally dark skies, makes it a stargazer's paradise. Familiar constellations appear closer and more brilliant than you ever imagined, while the faint glow of the Milky Way transforms into a celestial tapestry of awe-inspiring detail. Whether you visit the observatory or simply find a secluded spot to spread out a blanket and lose yourself in the wonder of the night sky, La Palma promises an unforgettable astro-tourism experience. So, book your flights, pack your sense of adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the celestial wonders that grace the skies above La Palma. Our cosmic voyage now transports us to the southern hemisphere, to the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand's South Island. Here, amidst the peaks and glacial lakes of Aoraki Mackenzie, a celestial spectacle awaits. Designated as a gold-tier dark sky reserve, Aoraki Mackenzie boasts some of the darkest skies on Earth. Gaze upon the iconic Southern Cross and the ethereal glow of the Magellanic Clouds. During winter, the sky erupts in color as the Aurora Australis dances. Book your flight to Christchurch and be enchanted by Aoraki Mackenzie's celestial wonders. Our pursuit of celestial wonders now leads us to the driest place on Earth, the Atacama Desert of Chile. Here, in this otherworldly landscape of towering sand dunes, salt flats that stretch to the horizon, and volcanoes that pierce the sky, lies a stargazer's paradise, unlike any other. With over 350 clear nights per year, the Atacama Desert boasts some of the most consistently clear skies on the planet. The lack of humidity and light pollution creates conditions so pristine that the Milky Way casts visible shadows across the desert floor. Its high altitude and dry air allow for unparalleled views deep into the cosmos. Whether you visit the advanced astronomical observatories or simply find a secluded spot amid the dunes to marvel at the celestial tapestry above, the Atacama Desert promises an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. So, pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and prepare to be humbled by the sheer scale and wonder of the universe as seen from the heart of the Atacama Desert. Our celestial journey now takes us to the roof of the world, the Himalayas of northern India. Here, amidst the soaring peaks and ancient Buddhist monasteries of Ladakh, a unique and awe-inspiring stargazing experience awaits. Ladakh, known as Little Tibet, is a land of high-altitude deserts, turquoise lakes, and a rich cultural heritage. But as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the prayer flags fluttering in the wind, a different kind of magic takes hold. The sky above Ladakh is incredibly dark, far from any major cities and their light pollution. As darkness deepens, the stars begin to emerge, one by one, until the entire sky is ablaze with their celestial fire. Visit ancient monasteries perched precariously on cliff tops, their golden roofs gleaming under a canopy of stars. So, if you seek a stargazing experience that nourishes both the soul and the mind, Ladakh beckons. Book your flight, embrace the journey, and prepare to be transformed by the celestial wonders that grace the Himalayas. Our final destination takes us deep into the heart of southern Africa, to Namibia's Namibrand Nature Reserve, a place where time seems to stand still and the night sky reigns supreme. Imagine this: you are surrounded by a sea of sand dunes, sculpted by the wind into ever-shifting shapes and patterns. The air is still, the silence absolute, save for the gentle whisper of the wind. As darkness envelops the desert, a feeling of profound isolation washes over you, a sense of being utterly alone under a vast and infinite sky. Slowly at first, then with increasing brilliance, the stars begin to emerge. Thousands, then millions, then a seemingly infinite number of stars, each one twinkling like a celestial diamond scattered across a velvet cloth. The Milky Way, freed from the constraints of light pollution, blazes across the sky, its dusty arms and glowing nebulae visible in breathtaking detail. So, if you yearn for an astro-tourism experience that is both humbling and awe-inspiring, book your flight to Namibia, venture into the heart of the Namibrand, and prepare to be captivated by the celestial wonders that await. As we conclude our celestial journey, we are reminded of the profound impact stargazing can have on the human spirit. To stand beneath a sky awash in starlight is to reconnect with something ancient and primal within ourselves. In a world that is increasingly fast-paced and overwhelming, stargazing offers a chance to escape the noise and reconnect with the universe on a deeper level. It reminds us of our place within the grand scheme of things, of the vastness of space and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet. And for more awe-inspiring destinations, be sure to subscribe to One Fine Travel. Until next time.